Do you want to know the secret to affiliate marketing success? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that I took to go from $0 per day to over $10,000 per month in affiliate commissions. Hey there, my name is SamerAI, and if you're like me, you're always on the lookout for new ways to make money online. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's that affiliate marketing is a really great way to do just that. But it's not as easy as some people make it out to be. I'm going to show you the exact steps that I took so you can replicate my success. Stay tuned. 1. What is high-ticket affiliate marketing? High-ticket affiliate marketing is exactly what it sounds like. It's affiliate marketing for high-priced items. Instead of earning small commissions from the sale of cheap products, you can make bigger payouts on things with a higher price tag. It requires having an understanding of the audience you are targeting, and being able to strategically promote expensive goods in such a way that people will be more likely to purchase them. This means using techniques like SEO, content marketing, email campaigns, and social media ads. It's not as easy as just throwing up an affiliate link and hoping someone clicks it. It takes research into which strategies will work best for your niche or market. But if done well, high-ticket affiliate marketing has the potential to be extremely lucrative. You'll make more money per sale and can build a much larger affiliate business with fewer customers than if you were promoting low-ticket items. So, if you're looking for an affiliate program that will really pay off, high-ticket affiliate marketing might be just what you need. 2. Why should you consider it? If you're an affiliate marketer, high-ticket affiliate marketing offers several advantages. First, the commissions are usually much higher than with lower-priced products. Second, it can be easier to get people to commit to buying a more expensive item. This means that when you do convert a sale, you'll make more money from it. Thirdly, since there is less competition in the high-ticket affiliate space, it can be a great opportunity for affiliate marketers who want to stand out and make more money. Finally, if your affiliate program has recurring commissions, such as subscription renewals, then you could potentially earn even more over time. High-ticket affiliate marketing can be a great way to boost your affiliate earnings, so it's worth considering if you want to increase your affiliate revenue. 3. How does it work? High-ticket affiliate marketing follows the same basic principles of affiliate marketing. You join an affiliate network and find affiliate programs that you want to promote. Then, you create promotional materials such as blog posts, emails, landing pages, and social media campaigns to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate link. When someone clicks through the link and makes a purchase, you'll get a commission for the sale. The difference with high-ticket affiliate marketing is that the commissions are usually much higher than they would be on lower-priced items. Once you've set up your affiliate links, it's all about driving as much targeted traffic to them as possible. This means creating content that will appeal to your target audience and using strategies like SEO, PPC, and social media advertising to get the word out. 4. The benefits of high-ticket affiliate marketing. High-ticket affiliate marketing offers a lot of potential benefits for affiliate marketers. As mentioned before, the commissions are usually much higher than they would be on lower-priced items. You also don't need to sell as many products in order to make a significant amount of money, meaning that you can build a larger affiliate business with fewer customers. Also, since there is less competition in this space, it can be easier to stand out and get people to notice your affiliate program. Finally, if there are recurring commissions available, like subscription renewals, then you could potentially earn even more over time. For affiliate marketers who want to increase their earnings, high-ticket affiliate marketing is definitely worth considering. With its potential for high commissions and recurring revenue, it can be a great way to take your affiliate business to the next level. 5. Top programs to consider. The affiliate programs you choose to promote will depend on your niche or market. However, some of the most popular high-ticket affiliate programs include Amazon Associates. Promote products from one of the world's largest online retailers and earn commissions for each sale. ClickFunnels Affiliates. Earn up to 40% commission for promoting this all-in-one sales funnel builder. Udemy Affiliates. Promote a wide range of online courses and get paid up to 50% commission on each sale. LeadPages Affiliates. Earn $60 to $100 per customer with this powerful lead generation platform. GetResponse Affiliate Program. Get up to 33% commission when you promote GetResponse's email marketing services. These affiliate programs offer the potential for high commissions and recurring revenue, making them great choices for affiliate marketers who want to increase their earnings. Plus, they all have great affiliate training and support available to help you get started quickly and easily. 6. How to get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing. The first step is to find affiliate programs that offer high commission rates for the products and services you want to promote. Once you've found a few, it's time to create promotional materials such as blog posts, emails, and social media campaigns to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate link. You should also consider using strategies like SEO, PPC, and social media advertising in order to reach as many potential customers as possible. Finally, make sure you track your affiliate sales carefully so that you can optimize your campaigns and maximize your earnings. 7. Tips for success. High-ticket affiliate marketing can be a great way to increase your affiliate earnings, but it's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. Here are some tips to help you maximize your affiliate income. Choose affiliate programs wisely. Make sure they offer high commission rates and have good support systems in place. Focus on driving targeted traffic. Create content and use strategies like SEO, PPC, and social media advertising to reach potential customers. Track your results carefully. This will help you identify which campaigns are working and which ones aren't, so that you can optimize them for maximum returns. Be patient. Affiliate marketing requires time and effort before the rewards start coming in. If you're looking for a way to increase your affiliate earnings, then high-ticket affiliate marketing could be the perfect solution. With its potential for high commissions and recurring revenue, it's definitely worth considering. Just remember to choose affiliate programs wisely, drive targeted traffic, and track your results carefully in order to maximize your affiliate income. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to continue learning more about affiliate marketing and other strategies to make money online, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join us on our journey to become the first AI YouTube channel to reach 1 million subscribers. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing!